Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to change lock screen format on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should locate and open lock screen and locate lock screen type, so it's here, clock style. Now pick lock screen and pick the one that you would like to have. So here you can come along with all the possible options. And then you can also change the color, so it doesn't have to be black. So let me pick this one. As you can see, you can customize it accordingly with your current preferences or needs. And for example, let me leave it this way, then just change the format of clock, and that's it. So if you click on done, from now on this lock clock would be activated. Then you can change it to whichever you want. Let me open it again, and here it is. And as you can see, if you will pick this one, then it will be applied immediately after that. Here it is. So that would be all. That's how you can smoothly and easily change clock format of your on your lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.